Hey, good morning, guys, and welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester. Today, on this video, I like search new strategies or see a few strategies for binary options. But sometimes, when in the moment that I search the strategies for binary options to learn more about it, I always catch interesting videos. And today, I'm gonna make another review about this strategy that I see right now. And I'm gonna share with you what I think about the structure of this video of this strategy and what I think is wrong or good with this strategy. So let's rock with this video. Okay, guys, like always, it's a pleasure for me to be here, and today I'm gonna make a review about $3,000 in 3 minutes. But I'm gonna make or share what I think about this. About how I think this works, or the wrong things that I noticed about this strategy. It's just to explain how works binary options, how works the market for us, and wish me good luck. Let's go to see how going with this video. So let's go to see a short part of this video. We are gonna see a few traits of this video, and after that, I'm gonna explain um, what I think you can do wrong if you watch only this type of videos.
Was so close. I hope that it will be the profit, but unfortunately, we will just double our trade and let's continue. Well, guys, I want to make a put option here on 3 minutes. I see a downtrend. We see the graphs is going down and down and down. And that's why I've made a put option. So we see the trend, downtrend, and let's wait till the end of our trade. Oh, I forgot that I had to put the double trade, so that's why one more. Let's wait till the end.
Okay, I think this strategy need more information. Just saying, okay, I see we have a downtrend, so I'm gonna trade for a downtrend. If I think I'm gonna trade for $1 just for a put, because right now we have a downtrend, and she says, I forget to change the time frame. Let's go to trade for 1 minute. I'm gonna trade only for $1, but we don't have more information. Why we are gonna take in that decision? If I have in the money this trade, or it's gonna be more for lucky, not a previous analysis before to taking this type of signals. So what I think is wrong with this video is the information you get with this. If you don't have more information, you think make money with binary options is gonna be simple, easy, in earning $3,000 in 3 minutes, she says, but it's not something like that. It's hard for me. This month it was a hard month, and the idea is not lose money and earn money. With binary options, that is complicated. If you trade with forex, it's totally different. And just like I said before, I don't have a previous analysis, and I decided to trade for a put. If I end in the money with this trade, it's gonna be for lucky, not because I take the time to analyze the market, to analyze what happened before to taking the signal, and that's gonna be just for a good luck. And for me, that is it's a risk trade like this. Right now, I say, oh guys, looking, it's gonna be in the money. All you have to do is follow the trend, trade only in 2 minutes, and you're gonna earn money just like me. It's wrong, okay? This is not the way the market works, or your strategy works, and or your previous analysis um you made before to take it or sit it down and trade, right? So just like I say, this is a good lucky. Just I trade for $1. If I have in the money, it's gonna be just for lucky. But how many good trades for lucky trades we can have, right? Maybe you can have another one and says it's continue with the downtrend and I'm gonna take it for another signal. This looking good too. I'm gonna trade for 1 minute and continue like this. But someday you're gonna lose money. Exists different types of indicators can help you. It's not a strategy. Can help you to see better the market, a fractal market. We trade in a fractal market. And if I trade for, I don't know, 1 hour, we have here a huge drop at today with these pairs. I think it's CAD. Let's go to GBP and CAD. Yes, CAD, Euro USD. No, it's CAD. Have a huge huge drop it. See it. All this have a CAD pair, USD and CAD. All of them. Today was a bad day for this pair, but if we take it in the moment they start this, if we trade for a pair, maybe you see it here, and I'm gonna trade for 2 hours, 1 hour. I don't know. It can be a good result for you if you're trading with forex, but we are trading with binary options. And my advice is trying to analyze better the market. Take your time to see better the market. Can be risky, and we can lose money. And this drop it is only for 38 minutes, not for 1 hour. Can have a huge reverse too, so can be risky. Let's go to see another trade she made, and we are gonna see how she analyzed the market before to taking the signal.
Well, guys, we have profit really, really, really good. So double trade closed in profit. And let's continue. Well, guys, I want to make a call option here. So I see the support line. It's like here. Okay. And let's wait till we end our trade. Well, guys, and it's an absolutely great, wonderful profit.
Okay, for me it's the same here, and I'm gonna say again, it's not because I say this is wrong means it's wrong. Okay, it's a good luck. Okay, I don't know what experience you have. I'm gonna talk about it about me, not about her, not about this video. Just taking the video to analyze a few things, and I don't know what experience you have, but we understand to see what we have here. Um, this is example. I'm gonna change another currency pair. Let's go to Euro USD. I see more stable, right? This one here. Okay, we are seeing in 1 minute, but if I change the time frame for 1 hour, we can try to find or analyze where can be our support and resistance, right? This one can be a good one. This maybe this one, another one, good ones. So with this previous analysis, we can go to change in 30 minutes, no 30 seconds, no 30 minutes to see. It's this one here, right? We see how many times respect this, right? Looking good, and change for 15 minutes. Why are you using this for this example? Because she's talking about it at support and resistance. But in 1 minute, we don't have anything here, right? We see it a fractal market. With this market, doesn't matter if you see in 1 day, the market looks the same, right? Looks pretty the same. It doesn't matter if you look in 1 minute, Two, what I think about this is because I think can be risky trade using support and resistance in 1 minute. Of course, you can have a few trades, winning trades, but if you have, I don't know, 10 trades in the money, you can have 20 out the money, 15 out the money. And trading in a short periods, that can be risky too. You can try if you want it. My advice is if you want to use in support and resistance, trying to see on the different time frames, um, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. I don't know why you're gonna trade for that time with this, but I believe and I think with this support and resistance, trading in 1 minute can be a risk for your pocket. Can be a risk for your balance. You can lose your a few trades only in a few seconds. So I think it's possible to make money with this and trading in 1 minute, but it's gonna be risky if you are a beginner with this. Maybe you don't have the experience, it can be complicated and you can lose money and start saying this sucks. This sucks. My advice is practice using your demo account and trying to test and if this strategy can be a good for you. She using two, well, I think only she using one strategy because the other one says, oh, we have a downtrend, I'm gonna trade for a down. That's it. Don't use more information or don't show us more information, right? So I believe if you're trying to test it, different type of strategies, you need to use in more information about the market to get a better traded session. So conclusion. So if you see this type of videos, try to request more information about the strategy, the previous analysis she made to take that decision. I'm gonna trade right now for a bit. So I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next wave.